This tiny form factor PC is the ThinkCentre M73. This little computer was released in mid-2013 under the Haswell architecture from Intel, which is the 4th generation. You could go as power efficient as a Pentium G3220T or as power hungry as an i7-4765T. And so while this could be a fairly robust PC back in the day, it just doesn't quite hold up to the modern standard anymore. At launch, based on configuration, it could go for as low as $500 or as much as $1,000 for this little guy. At launch, it had pretty good interface options with multiple USB ports, dedicated microphone and headphone jacks, Ethernet, VGA, and in certain configurations, even DisplayPort. Inside, we'll find a fairly large blower fan and a pretty significant heat pipe covering that CPU. It has one single drive bay, which can be removed so you can swap out what's inside, but unfortunately it does not have any M.2 slots. With the i5 or i7 configurations, this model was prone to overheating even with a fan of this size, but with consistent cleanings and pulling out the dust that gets trapped in the front cover, it is still an extremely robust little machine. This little PC has 2 DIMM slots, which can max out at 16 gigabytes of 1600 MHz DDR3 memory. Unfortunately, this PC's service life is slowly coming to an end in its current configuration, because in October of 2025, support for Windows 10 is coming to a close. And while I could run this system in an unsecured version of Windows 11, most likely I'm going to throw some version of Ubuntu or Chrome OS on this device. At nearly 12 years old, this system is no longer at the peak of performance and may not have the capability to do any heavy lifting, but with a lightweight OS like Linux Mint or Zorin OS, this can still have some uses today. I'm particularly interested to see how this machine will interface with SteamOS when it releases later this year.